So let's look at this code in a little bit more detail. What I want you to do is select the Actions layer, go to Window, and have a look at the Actions tab. And what we have here is my instance name followed by .alpha equals decimal point 3. Now some of you are probably thinking in ActionScript 2.0 the actual alpha property was determined from 0 to 100. In ActionScript 3.0 however, the property is determined from 0 to 1. So 0 being fully transparent and 1 being opaque. So what we need to do is specify that from a decimal point plus the number, so 3, so that's going to be 30%, and semicolon. What we're saying by the semicolon is we're really kind of ending the sentence with that inside Flash AS3. So I know what you're thinking. Some of the designers may be thinking, well, how would we actually ever know that? How would we know that that point is determined from 0 to 1 and not from 0 to 100% like in ActionScript 2.0? Well, Flash has a really good, cool way to demonstrate this. What we can do is, if we select this, the alpha property, and select F1 on the keyboard, that brings up the alpha property like so. And if we read this, the valid values are 0 from fully transparent to 1, which is fully opaque. The default value is 1, displays the object, etc., etc. So there's a really cool definition at the bottom here as well, which I know some of you like to copy and paste, which is quite cool. So I'm just going to do another one. What I'm going to do is close that quickly, and I've got circle 2MC, which is my instance name. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go to Windows, and I'm going to go to Actions, and I'll paste that in. .alpha equals 0.5 semicolon, and again I'll do the same, and 3 I will communicate to my equals 0.7 semicolon, and we can go ahead and click the check syntax tab, select OK. We can double click this, so I would really recommend this floating around, so just leave that floating around, it saves us a bit of time. Press hit Control and Enter to test your movie, and you'll see the different transparencies in your circles. So that's quite cool, and we'll be moving on to using variables in the next training video.